So I want to talk about the myEcon compensation plan and specifically don't hate the data. Now, why do I say that? Because there's a lot of other shiny wrappers out there. There's a lot of other online opportunities, network marketing companies and businesses and compensation plans where everyone will tell you it's the best compensation plan. You can make the most amount of money. In other words, the shiny wrapper, the presentation that you're given looks unbelievable. But sometimes, my friends, what you have to do is you have to strip away all the hype. You have to strip away the shiny wrapper and peel that back and look at the data and what does the data actually tell you. Now, recently you can see them over here. I've done comparisons with the myEcon compensation plan to other network marketing businesses, some of them with over 1 million members, and their shiny wrappers on the outside look really good. It looks really tasty, really tempting. There's even claims of certain companies that I just shared with you here that offer that you can make $2,000 a month without sponsoring a single person. Now, let's all be honest and real with each other, my friends. How can you make $2,000 a month without sponsoring a single person? Again, that's just what's advertised, and that's just what the shiny wrapper on the outside tells you. But when you strip all that back, and even in a company, in this case, I'm not going to go through all the companies, but when you peel back all that fluff, how many people right now in a company with 1 million members are making $2,000 a month? Where's the data? Where's the documentation that proves that there's people out there making $2,000 a month without sponsoring a single person? I haven't seen an ounce of proof yet. So it's a very big claim that, in my humble opinion, from my research, cannot be backed up. So what I want you to understand in this video, my friend, and by the way, all of those comparison videos that I did, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. If you want to go check out my playlist and go watch those individually and see the actual data, the myEcon compensation plan compared to many other companies, what does the data tell you? Now, when you look here and you just look at the numbers, from what I've found, and I'm going to take my opinion out of it, from what I have found, from what the data tells me, myEcon has the highest per dollar per person ratio that I have found in any network marketing or online marketing opportunity. There's no other membership out there. There's no other network marketing, digital marketing opportunity that has a higher per person monthly renewal than myEcon. And that's just what the data tells me. Regardless of, I've been in myEcon since 2018. I'm a loyal member, but I'm doing this based off of data, numbers, black and white information. If you can find me a higher per dollar per person company, drop in the comments down below and let me know. But we also have to keep it real. And one of the things that I did in all of those comparison videos is I did a standard basically, if you sponsor three who get three, and you go down to 1,000 people, what is your per month commission? Simple. Okay. Help three who get three. And there's so many other network marketing opportunities that teach that strategy. Help three who get three, help four who get four, help two who get two, and so on, right? Certain compensation plans, you have to be a recruiting master. Certain compensation plans that I've reviewed in my playlist, link in the description down below, some of them you have to personally recruit 100 people. Is that fair to the average person? Can the average person recruit three? Well, they have much better odds of recruiting 3 people than they do 100. And that's why I did help 3 who get 3. So with the example here in the corner, if you help 3 who get 3 and you cascade down to 1,000 people with myEcon, you will be at CEO Infinity, which is the highest rank in the company. You will be qualified for the most amount of commissions. Now, I didn't do that based on the myEcon compensation plan. I did that based on the industry standard. Some of you might argue that, oh no, he just bent the numbers to myEcon. No, I did this based on the industry standard of help two get two, or help three get three, or help four get four. Traditionally, what is taught in network marketing. Even one of the companies I was recently in earlier this year, one of their top leaders taught help four get four. That's literally what's taught across the industry. So realize, based on the data, the myEcon compensation plan pays higher than any other membership I have found. And some of the shiny wrappers out there, some of the things that you may feel look good on the outside, once you strip away the shiny wrapper and once you look at the black and white data, what does that really tell you? Two of the compensation plans that I looked at, you get a 2.5% renewal per person on your team. So if it's 1,000 people on your team at a $25 renewal or a $10 renewal or even a $50 renewal, 2.5% is not a lot. It's not. You can only stretch 2.5% so far. So one of the biggest, highest trending companies out there right now, if you had 2.5% times 1,000 people with their renewal, it's literally $248 a month. Where when you compare that to myEcon, the average, and it's a very fair conservative average, would be about $9 per person, which is about $9,000. So you have $9,000 with the myEcon compensation plan, renewing 1,000 people per month, $9,000 a month, versus probably the highest trending business out there right now, which that 1,000 people would be $248 a month. And there's a lot of variables you could throw into there. I know you have matching bonuses and people buying products and services, but for the sake of keeping the compensation plan as accurate and straightforward as possible, you have to just look at the monthly renewal, because people buying products and services is a variable. It's not something that is guaranteed. And one of the other videos that I did, there was people, hating on the video. And, I just kind of said, like, hey, don't hate the data. You might be pissed at me for unveiling the data, but don't hate the data. The numbers don't lie. The math is accurate. And yes, people can buy, protein shakes and supplements and, acai powder and all this other stuff. But is the average person going to do that? Most people, yes, paying your membership is an automatic. It's a gotta have if you want to be an active member. But that doesn't mean you have to buy a product. That doesn't mean you have to get protein shakes. That doesn't mean you have to get multivitamins. So yes, you could throw that in there, that sure, you could make a percentage of that if people buy it, but it's not a guarantee. People paying their monthly membership is a guarantee if you are an active member. So there's all kinds of variables in there. But if you take the rule of averages and you take what the average person can do and will do, help three who get three is fair, and cascade that down to 1,000. Of course, hypothetically speaking, we're just trying to look at black and white numbers, what the potential compensation could be. And I think I was pretty fair. I think in some of those videos, I was incredibly generous, with what I threw out there as potential matching bonuses. Very generous. And it still didn't come close to the myEcon compensation plan. So if you're looking out to 2025, or whatever it is that you're looking at and why you're here watching this video, thank you, by the way, if you made it to this point and you have not subscribed, please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead right now. I'll take a second. Smash it. All right. Thanks. And don't be afraid to ring that bell icon so you get notified. You'll be the first to know when I upload a new video, and you can get in there and watch it before anyone else. That's probably cool, right? And I want to do these videos so you can have the data for yourself. And sometimes you just have to take the flashy stuff away. Sometimes you have to take opinion and shiny objects and all that other fluff out there. You just got to peel that back and you got to ask yourself, what do the numbers tell you? What does the data tell you? Which is exactly why I put that series together. Link in the description down below. You can go check that out. I've found, based on the data and years of being in this industry, there's no better pay plan than the myEcon compensation plan that I've found. I haven't found another. So if you have a suggestion, you guys want me to do another comparison of another company, drop them in the description down below and I'll check them out. Maybe I'll do a comparison video. Maybe there's something out there that when you look at the dollar per person per renewal, maybe there's something higher out there than myEcon. If there is, I haven't found it yet. So please let me know. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.